Hello kiddos, let's look at lesson 2, amazing or crazy. The grammar for unit 2 is going to be past simple and past continuous. The vocabulary is life events, transportation, and the function is telling stories. So during this unit, you are going to learn how to tell stories. Let's do a quick review of Unit 2. Here is lesson number 2. Let's look at lesson number 1. Here it is. Let's look at our first grammar. In the first grammar, we have the verb to be in past. Remember, what is the verb to be in past? Am, is, are, present. Was, were, past. Okay, we also have the simple present. Remember that when it's a regular verb, you add ed, and when it's an irregular verb, you change the verb. Here is grammar number 2. Is the be in negative and the simple form. Remember, in negative we use for be, wasn't, and weren't. For the verbs, we use didn't plus the verb in simple form. Excellent. Here is an activity you have to do of the grammar. Here is grammar number 3, which is questions. Remember, in a question, step number 1 is be. Step number 2 is subject. For the question with simple present, we use did and the verb in present for all the subjects. Here's another activity for the grammar in lesson 1. And here's another activity you can practice. Here's another activity and we're still in lesson 1. Now let's go ahead and look at lesson 2. In lesson 2, we have some vocabulary: capper band, car ferry, cruising ship, fishing boat, hot air balloon, mountain bike, rescue helicopter, rollerblades, school bus. Here you have some reading, some more reading, and now let's look at our grammar. We use past continuous, which is the verb to be, and the verb in ing, and simple present. Here it is, was, remember because Jason is a he, and it's a long action. The simple past is a very short action. Excellent. Here's another grammar practice. Now that's the finish of lesson 2. Let's look at lesson 3. In lesson 3, we have some listening practices. We have some more listening, and we have another grammar, which is past continuous versus simple past. Remember, past continuous is going to be a long action, and you use the verb to be in past and the verb in ing. Simple past is a short action, and you use the subject and the verb in simple past. If it's a regular verb, it finishes in ed. If it's an irregular verb, it finishes in depending the verb. Memorize, memorize. Here's some answers. See, past continuous, verb to be, ing, simple past. Here you go. In simple past, we use for question did and the verb in present. Okie dokie. Alright guys, this is the end. You can also see here we have a vocabulary plus. It's important that you practice vocabulary. So here you have this section. Alright kiddos, good luck. See you later.